Good morning, everyone. My name is Dylan Lee, and I'm a realtor here in Florida with the Tony Baroni team of Keller Williams. Let's get right down into it and start talking about the market. So the stats that we see here, um, as of today, now we're going to take a look at the total listings today. We've got 37,478. That's for our entire MLS. So we're talking about Central Florida from coast to coast. All right, so that's where our team is very, very active. Now, people want to talk about how is the health of the market. Well, it's still a seller's market. Absolutely. If you recall, a seller's market is anywhere between 1 month of inventory or less, 1 month of inventory up to like five and a half, between five and a half to 7 or so. That's going to be a almost like a balanced market, so to speak, and then anything above that is a buyer's market. So we are trending towards a buyer's market, but right now we are still a seller's market. But like I said, as of today, we've got 37,478 properties available for sale. Now, just this past week, we had 2,454 properties sold. 2 weeks ago, 3,271. That's quite a bit of a drop off there. What is that? Like almost 30% of a drop off, maybe a little bit less of a drop off. It could be a lagging indicator for really a number of things. Hurricane Ian was about a month ago now, so we could be seeing remnants of that, but it's still very, very strong. 3 weeks ago, 3,220 properties sold, and we're looking at about a rolling 3 week average of 2,982. And in this month, we're estimated to have, as you see, 12,523. Yeah, the number one question I get all the time is, how's the market? Well, the market's great. It still is. Now, obviously, there is quite a bit of a shift with the Fed continuing to raise interest rates. Now, it's important to know they are not raising mortgage interest rates. That's completely totally different. But they are raising the rates that the banks and everyone else would essentially borrow their money from. And that is a simpleton's way of explaining it. I think they will be raising the rate again, probably another 0.75 here in December. That's pure speculation, but they have indicated that they will, keep a keep a pretty heavy hand on that, try to tamper down on this inflation. But from what we're seeing, home prices are beginning to come down a little bit. All right, we're seeing that more so with homes that have been on the market for quite a while. Maybe they were priced in the market of the past. So the market that we're in right now is totally different than like 60 days ago, 90 days ago, 6 months ago. Totally different. Okay, doesn't mean it's a bad market. It's just a different market. Someone told me that the market we're in right now is actually a rational market. It's normal. It actually kind of makes sense to have some negotiation, some wiggle room, which is fantastic. But that's what we're looking at this week. Again, we're at about a 3 month inventory, and that is creeping up some. Just last week or 2 weeks ago, I think we're looking at about 2.8 months of inventory. So more homes are coming on the market. At the moment, some of the sellers are dropping, or some of the buyers, excuse me, are falling off. However, if you are a buyer right now, it is a great time to get into a home, to have some negotiation power. And again, if you're a seller, there's still not enough inventory. So it's still a seller's market, and we're heading towards the actually more of a balanced market. So here's where you can find me. As I got all my contact info there. You can email me directly at dylan@tonybaroni.com. My cell phone number is 813-313-7056. That's my personal cell phone. Please don't sign me up for some dumb stuff. I'll be pretty pissed at you. And I also blog at sellthegulf.com. I write articles all about living here on Florida's Gulf Coast. All about life and real estate, right in my own community. Again, Dylan Lee with the Tony Baroni team, where we do sell the most from coast to coast. Have a good one.